2006 Polaris Ranger Xp. We have an issue with the brake safety for starting the unit, keeping us from being able to start on my friend's Ranger. Anyhow, we were able to find the bypass for the brake. For this model, it's up underneath the front left tire. You'll have to remove the plastics. It takes a few T20s screws to remove it, but you'll find it right up in here, and you can sometimes see past the tire if you'll turn it to the side and look through the crack around the plastics. We've already removed everything. This is the cable that goes. Our sensor, pressure sensor, is not bad. He had a CV joint that came loose and ended up ripping off the brake line, and when it did that, he cannot start by using the brake pedal any longer because there's not any back pressure. So we can put a jumper between these two terminals for just a moment, then hit your key and everything will start. What he's going to do is put a little jumper and a switch to temporarily bypass it till he gets everything fixed so we can move the unit around without having to tow it. Just added the quick jumper. This is just a little bitty gauge wire. It doesn't need anything. We just put it between the two spades and then shove the connector back on over it. You could just jumper between those with this on, or take this off and actually jumper the connector, because it's the connector you're trying to make contact. And it is a closed connection, not an open connection. And now if you want, let's we're going to give it a try. We'll turn it over and see if you can hear try to kick. There it is.